Hello, thank you for your support, and you are welcome to subscribe to our channel. My job is to read this book to my audiences. That is all I am here to do. This channel has full authorization of reading this entire book. Today, I will be reading the book, titled, Surviving the Age of AI, Your Guide to Thriving in the New Economy. Written by Anthony Hurwitz. Chapter 2, The Skills Machines Can't Replace. Title 1, Beyond AI, a detailed breakdown of skills machines can't replicate. Artificial intelligence, AI, is becoming increasingly sophisticated, and it's changing the way we live and work. However, there are some skills that machines simply can't replicate, no matter how advanced they become. These skills are essential for success in the modern workforce, and they're becoming even more important as machines take over routine tasks. In this blog post, we'll explore a detailed breakdown of the skills that AI can't replicate. Number 1. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence refers to the ability to understand and manage emotions, both in oneself and in others. It includes skills such as empathy, self-awareness, and relationship management. These skills are essential for building strong interpersonal relationships, which are crucial in many professions, including healthcare, education, and counseling. While machines can analyze data and provide recommendations, they can't replicate the human ability to connect with others on an emotional level. Number 2. Creativity. Creativity is the ability to come up with original ideas and solutions, and it's essential for success in many fields, including art, design, and innovation. While machines can analyze data and provide insights, they can't replicate the human ability to imagine new possibilities and think outside the box. Creativity requires a combination of imagination, intuition, and critical thinking, which are uniquely human traits. Number 3. Critical thinking. Critical thinking is the ability to analyze and evaluate information objectively, and it's essential for success in many professions, including law, science, and business. It involves skills such as reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making. While machines can analyze data and provide recommendations, they can't replicate the human ability to weigh different perspectives and make judgments based on complex and often conflicting information. Number 4. Adaptability. Adaptability refers to the ability to adjust to new situations and environments, and it's becoming increasingly important in the modern workforce. With rapid technological change and shifting job requirements, workers who can adapt to new challenges and learn new skills quickly are more likely to succeed. While machines can be programmed to perform specific tasks, they can't replicate the human ability to adapt to new situations and learn from experience. Number 5. Leadership. Leadership refers to the ability to inspire and motivate others to achieve a common goal, and it's essential for success in many professions, including business, politics, and social services. It involves skills such as communication, delegation, and conflict resolution. While machines can provide data and recommendations, they can't replicate the human ability to inspire and lead others. Conclusion. In conclusion, while machines are becoming increasingly capable of performing tasks that were once done by humans, there are some skills that they simply can't replicate. These skills are essential for success in the modern workforce, and they're becoming even more important as machines take over routine tasks. Emotional intelligence, creativity, critical thinking, adaptability, and leadership are just a few examples of the skills that machines can't replicate. Workers who can develop and hone these skills are more likely to succeed in the age of AI, where human skills are becoming increasingly valuable. Title 2, Developing the Skills That AI Can't Replicate, Strategies for Success in the Age of Automation. As machines become increasingly capable of performing routine tasks, the skills that set humans apart from machines are becoming more valuable than ever. Emotional intelligence, creativity, critical thinking, adaptability, and leadership are just a few examples of the skills that machines can't replicate. Developing and honing these skills is essential for success in the modern workforce, and it's becoming increasingly important as machines take over routine tasks. In this blog post, we'll explore some strategies for developing and honing these skills. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is essential for building strong interpersonal relationships, and it can be developed and honed through a variety of strategies, including: Point 1. Practice active listening. Take the time to listen actively to others and try to understand their perspectives. Point 2. Seek feedback. Ask others for feedback on your emotional intelligence skills, and use this feedback to improve. Point 3. Practice self-reflection. Take the time to reflect on your emotions and how they impact your relationships with others. Creativity is essential for coming up with innovative ideas and solutions, and it can be developed and honed through a variety of strategies, including Point 1. Practice brainstorming. Set aside time to brainstorm new ideas and solutions, even if they seem far-fetched or unrealistic. Point 2. Embrace failure. Don't be afraid to try new things and fail. Failure is often a necessary step on the road to success. Point 3. Engage in creative activities. Participate in creative activities such as painting, writing, or music to stimulate your imagination and develop your creativity. Critical thinking is essential for analyzing and evaluating complex information, and it can be developed and honed through a variety of strategies, including Point 1. Ask questions. Ask questions and seek out multiple perspectives when analyzing information. Point 2. Evaluate evidence. Use evidence-based reasoning to evaluate information and draw conclusions. Point 3. Practice problem solving. Practice problem solving in a variety of contexts to develop your critical thinking skills. Adaptability is essential for success in the modern workforce, and it can be developed and honed through a variety of strategies, including Point 1. Embrace change. Rather than resisting change, embrace it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Point 2. Seek out new experiences. Try new things and seek out new experiences to develop your adaptability. Point 3. Practice flexibility. Be open to new ideas and perspectives, and be willing to adapt your thinking and behavior when necessary. Leadership is essential for inspiring and motivating others, and it can be developed and honed through a variety of strategies, including Point 1. Lead by example. Set a positive example for others to follow by demonstrating your own leadership skills. Point 2. Practice communication. Practice clear and effective communication to inspire and motivate others. Point 3. Seek out leadership opportunities. Seek out leadership opportunities in your personal and professional life to develop your leadership skills. In conclusion, developing and honing the skills that machines can't replicate is essential for success in the age of automation. Emotional intelligence, creativity, critical thinking, adaptability, and leadership are just a few examples of the skills that are becoming increasingly valuable as machines take over routine tasks. By practicing active listening, seeking feedback, embracing failure, evaluating evidence, embracing change, seeking out new experiences, leading by example, practicing communication, and seeking out leadership opportunities, workers can develop and hone these skills to stay competitive in the modern workforce. Title 3. Real-life examples of people who have successfully adapted their skills to thrive in the age of AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is changing the way we live and work, and it's disrupting many industries. However, there are many people who have successfully adapted their skills to thrive in the age of AI. These individuals have recognized the value of human skills such as emotional intelligence, creativity, critical thinking, adaptability, and leadership, and they've found ways to leverage these skills in the modern workforce. In this blog post, we'll explore some real-life examples of people who have successfully adapted their skills to thrive in the age of AI. Number 1. The data analyst who became a data scientist. When Maria Corte was working as a data analyst, she recognized that the field of data science was growing rapidly and that there was a high demand for professionals with expertise in machine learning and artificial intelligence. She decided to take a course in data science and learned how to develop and deploy machine learning models. She also developed her skills in communication and leadership, which helped her to secure a job as a data scientist at a top tech company. Number 2. The chef who became a food technologist. When Tamar Burton was working as a chef, she recognized that the food industry was being transformed by technology, and that there was a growing demand for professionals with expertise in food science and technology. She decided to pursue a degree in food science and technology and developed her skills in critical thinking and creativity. She now works as a food technologist, developing innovative food products that combine the latest technology with culinary expertise. Number 3. The customer service representative who became a chatbot designer. When Aaron Dollock was working as a customer service representative, he recognized that chatbots were becoming increasingly popular and that there was a growing demand for professionals who could design and implement these bots. He decided to learn how to design and implement chatbots and developed his skills in programming and creativity. He now works as a chatbot designer, helping companies to implement chatbots that can provide customers with quick and efficient service. Number 4. The teacher who became an edtech developer. When Stephanie Banchero was working as a teacher, she recognized that the education industry was being transformed by technology, and that there was a growing demand for professionals who could develop and implement educational technology. She decided to pursue a degree in educational technology and developed her skills in leadership and adaptability. She now works as an edtech developer, developing innovative tools and applications that help students learn more effectively. Number 5. The journalist who became an AI ethics consultant. When Karen Howe was working as a journalist, she recognized that AI was transforming the media industry and that there was a growing need for professionals who could address ethical concerns related to AI. She decided to transition into the field of AI ethics and developed her skills in critical thinking and communication. She now works as an AI ethics consultant, helping companies to develop ethical AI policies and practices. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are many people who have successfully adapted their skills to thrive in the age of AI. By recognizing the value of human skills such as emotional intelligence, creativity, critical thinking, adaptability, and leadership, these individuals have found ways to leverage their skills in the modern workforce. Whether by transitioning into a new field, pursuing additional education and training, or developing new skills, these individuals have demonstrated that it's possible to thrive in the age of AI by embracing the opportunities presented by this exciting and rapidly evolving technology. Thank you for listening. Chapter 2 of the book, Surviving the Age of AI, Your Guide to Thriving in the New Economy. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you at the next chapter.